Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm Ali Hammer, and today we're joined with Peter James, the IT Operations Director at Amaysim. Peter, every single year, Amaysim seems to win industry award after industry award. And in 2021 alone, I think you won Whistles Out Best Mobile Provider, Best Prepaid Provider, and Best Plan for Kids, all without even having a physical retail store. This is so cool. So what I want to know is how the heck are you able to provide such great customer service with just your people and tech alone?
Our focus has been on our customers always, like ever since we started, since before we were getting awards. And we dedicate a lot to their digital and self-service experience to try and make things as simple as possible to join and stay with us. We leverage other retail stores to do this, but it's true, we've never actually had a dedicated retail footprint aside from a pop-up store here or there. We think you should be able to do everything you need from our website or our mobile app. But if you can't or you don't want to, our customer service team are really closely linked to our business operations and our operation and technology teams as well, which helps drive a really good digital experience. And we're really looking for people and technology partners that really can enhance that experience and make it much easier for our customers to do things. Our company values simplicity, empathy, reliability, and agility. And we look for that whenever we're choosing a technology partner or a new staff member.
Pretty incredible, and your dedication to the digital and self-service experience is clearly working pretty well. You've got such a loyal customer base, and that's definitely testament to all of that. And Peter, we heard that you guys recently had your first ever company-wide hackathon, I think in over 6 years, and you decided to partner exclusively with AWS. So how was that event received during COVID, and did anything actually surprise you?
Yeah, look, we've tried to do this a couple of times over the last few years. Before the one 6 years ago, which I was part of, and it was a lot of fun. But something always came up. We'd gone through a big period of growth. We've bought companies. We've sold parts of the company. So this time, the AWS team really lent some much needed focus and sponsorship. To be quite honest, thank you for the Echo Dots that helped us ensure the event was a really big success. It was also the last event on the calendar year for a lot of people. And as everyone knows, the last couple of years haven't been great for virtual events or any kind of events in some ways. So I was actually really worried that we wouldn't get the take up that we actually ended up doing, but we had a really great turnout. I think we had over half the company from the main office join, which is amazing, and some really good representation from our customer service team as well, because like I said, they're a big part of our journey and they know what our customers are experiencing. We had some amazing ideas. We had a really tough time as judges. We actually had to put up a third set of prizes to actually split second and third because we couldn't choose. And I was really happy with the engagement we got, even towards the end of that really tough end of 2021. So it definitely won't take us 6 years to do another one.
Sounds like there was some pretty strong competition, and how great that so many people got involved, especially, you said towards the end of the year, everyone gets a bit lazy and tired, and I guess those echoes definitely help. So
definitely, yeah.
So also you recently created a data council, which is something that I was fascinated about because it's, for anyone who doesn't know, and I didn't know, it's a diverse group of senior technology leaders from Amaysim. This is really cool. Can you explain to our audience a little bit more about what you're actually trying to achieve with this data council?
Yeah, definitely. So this is really in its infancy, but it's something that we've actually lent on AWS as well to help us do this, because we realized we didn't know everything, which every now and then I have to admit. But like many companies, we're in an area where we have far more data collection points and requirements than ever before. Everyone talks about drowning in their data lake or something like that. And we just can't make it the data team's problem to sort out, that they just don't scale the same way. So getting a bunch of people across the business, not just from technology, but from technology, data, marketing, and some other areas, to meet regularly and understand the data we're collecting, how it could be used, or how it could be used and secured better, because it really is everyone's responsibility to make sure that our data is secure and being used in the best possible way for us and our customers. Like I said, it's still into early stages, but I'm really looking forward to seeing how we can change the way our business and our customers get the value out of this in 2022 and hopefully beyond as well.
That's such a great idea, and so true that all teams, and I actually think not just IT, should be looking at data and contributing with ideas and how to leverage it. And Peter, Amaysim is well known for showing customers big love. So how will Amaysim continue showing customers big love in the future? And what I want to know is, how do partners like us at AWS help out with this as well?
Look, I'll get in trouble if I reveal too much of our roadmap, but we love surprising our customers with extra data or inclusions, and we don't think we always need a reason. Being customer-centric has been a natural part of the way we operate ever since we started over 10 years ago. And the last couple of years, the next few years won't change that at all. We've invested a lot of time into our mobile app and technology platforms to help make it even easier for everyone to join us or manage their service. And initiatives like data banking last year are a great example of how our teams continue to come up with great new initiatives with our technology partners to share our customers' big love. Partners like AWS and others, to be honest, do allow our team to focus on the outcome we're trying to achieve rather than the technology behind it. We can build on those building blocks and provide really great experiences for our new customers, and then innovate rapidly with a relatively modest team given the size of our customer base. We always think we can do more, so please watch out for some exciting new announcements or refinements to the technology experience over the next 12 months and beyond at Amaysim.
Well, Peter, I cannot wait to continue watching your journey. I love a surprise, so I'll keep my eyes out. And, you know, it really shows your customer obsession is so similar to ours. And it is amazing that you've got no physical stores and that you've got such a loyal customer base. So I know I've said it before, but congrats on everything you guys have achieved. And we really love working with you.
Thanks very much. It's a really great part of being able to be a technology company, to work with companies and partners like AWS. And well done on not using the Amaysim pun. We do it all the time. So well done.
Took a bit of self-control. All right. Thank you so much, Peter.
Thanks very much. See you later.
Bye.